Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to send money from Payoneer to Bybit. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the process step by step. So first of all, open the application of Bybit, and once you open the application, as you can see, this is the home interface of Bybit, and from here you can see like home, markets, trade and earn and assets. So just go to the asset section, and once you're into the asset section you will be seeing like your total assets, like the total amount of USD or whatever you have in your account. And from here you can just see other options: deposit, withdraw, transfer and convert. So make sure to select the first option called deposit, and once you click on deposit they will ask you like you want to P2P trading, buy with PKR or deposit crypto, and you got like already have a crypto and you want to deposit it. So you make sure to choose this option, deposit with crypto, and click on deposit crypto. And once you click on deposit crypto, they will ask you like you want to select the fiat or crypto. So make sure to select your currency. For let's say like I select USD and USDT and select it. And once you select it they will ask you to select a chain type as well, and make sure to select your chain. Like for example I select TRC20 or Solana. So just click on the chain, and once you click on the chain you can just copy the wallet address, and once you copy the wallet address, or you can just save the picture as well. So make sure to go to your Pioneer account, and once you go to the Pioneer account make sure to paste that address into that section. And the important thing is just make sure that you have USD in your Pioneer as well, as any other currency will not be able to transfer. So make sure that you have USDT in your Pioneer account, and after that paste the address and you will be able to transfer your crypto or the amount or the money from Pioneer to Bybit. So that is a simple and easy process.